In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to concatenate text values in Tableau in just 5 minutes. If you've ever found yourself needing to combine multiple text values into a single field, this guide is for you. First things first, go ahead and open your Tableau public app. Familiarizing yourself with the interface can make a significant difference in how smoothly you navigate through creating these calculated fields. Once the application is open, the next step is to access your worksheet. You'll want to ensure you have everything you need visible and ready to go. Organization on Tableau is key for efficiency. Now, let's get to structuring your data. Begin by dragging the product name, product ID, and subcategory fields to the rows shelf. This action will set up your data in a way that enables us to concatenate the text values properly. Having them lined up in rows allows us to see each unit clearly, which is important for the next steps. Next, direct your attention to the data pane on the left side of the screen. You'll need to right-click on the product name. This action will bring up a contextual menu. From this menu, scroll down to the Create option. Hover over it for a moment, and then you'll see another submenu pop out. Go ahead and select the Create Calculated Field option. This step is crucial because this is where we'll perform the concatenation. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to input information about your new calculated field. Here, give it a name that's easily identifiable. Something simple like Concatenated Product Info. Now, you'll need to type in the query. This will involve using Tableau's +sign operator to concatenate or combine fields. For example, if you're combining all three fields, your query might look something like this: product name plus pairs plus product ID plus subcategory. What you're doing here is telling Tableau to link these fields together while adding spaces in between for readability. Once everything looks good, click OK to create your field. Now that you've created your calculated field, it's time to integrate it into your sheet. Simply drag your newly created field to the rows shelf, just as you did at the beginning with the other data fields. Here's a little tip to keep in mind. You may need to adjust the column's borders. Sometimes when you concatenate text, the resulting value can exceed the default column width. Resizing these borders will ensure that all your data is visible and easy to analyze. And there you have it. You've successfully concatenated text values in Tableau. Give yourself a pat on the back and feel free to experiment further with different text and fields to see how flexible and powerful this feature can be.